Yeah, listen to me. Let me quickly drop this one. You got problem with your boyfriend or with your girlfriend. Go say sorry. Apologize. Don't allow your ego to destroy your relationship. Don't allow your pride to destroy your relationship. It doesn't really matter who is wrong, will be the first to say sorry. If you value what you have, then you have to say sorry. Lower your pride. He's online, you're seeing it. She's online, you're seeing it. But you don't want to test. You don't want to call. Bro, lower your pride, bro. Lower your pride. Sis, lower your pride. Go for what you have and grab it. Don't let it go off you like that. Don't let it go. Don't let it go just like that because of your unnecessary pride. If you value what you have, don't play with it. Don't let pride destroy your beautiful relationship. Some people make this mistake. The sorry you're supposed to have said now, because of your pride, you keep it to yourself. After 6 months, after 5 months, you come back to say that same sorry. What's wrong with you, bro? She has moved on. He has moved on. Why couldn't you say sorry then? Why was it difficult for you to say sorry then? And now, after 6 months, you're saying sorry now. Bro, she has moved on. And for the men and for the women, they are coming back now to say sorry because they know you are in a beautiful relationship now. Don't allow them to destroy your relationship. Be focused. Keep your head high. You have moved on. You have moved on. No going back. Let what you have now be your priority and keep your head high. Thank you.